Hi everyone, Vaughn at Spirit of Health. All right, we are getting deeper into this fasting journey of 11 different types of fast. We're on number 7, and number 7 is a fruit fast. All fruit fast. Wow, it's just like it sounds. You eat only fruits. Might sound like a dream to a lot of people, especially if you like fruit. A lot of people consider it the ultimate way to live. There's actually a lot of people out there promoting fruit as the best way to eat, the only way you should eat. There's even terms out there called fruitarian and frugivore, and I try not to get into any of that because I think people go to extremes, and people can make these things idols for sure. But there's certainly amazing health benefits to fruit. Fruit has a very high water content, loaded with vitamins and minerals. Arguably the perfect food, and the food that was most available and abundant in the Garden of Eden, where Adam and Eve were just picking off fruit and eating it. We know fruit eventually became the downfall to mankind, allowing sin to enter the world. So, as with any of these options for fasting, a fruit diet alone is not for everyone. And in fact, I've seen it be detrimental to a lot of people. So I want to make sure if you try this, you have a little bit of understanding to make sure this is for you. So who will benefit? This is a really good fast for anyone who has excessive weight. They're hot all the time. They really need to cleanse. Fruit cleanses the colon, the kidneys, the lymphatic system, the liver, and the blood. Any fruit that's dark red or purple cleanses the blood. All right, this is by God's design. It's amazing. It's definitely the most cleansing food of any category of food. As far as energetic vibration, healing frequencies, nourishment, hydration, fruit is probably superior. All right. If you live in hot tropical environments, you have access to lots of fresh fruit. This would make sense. Anybody with excessive weight, fluid retention, lymphatic congestion, high blood pressure, you'll very quickly see a lot of benefits by eating only fruit. Advantages, too many to mention. Here's some of them. Fruit is incredibly hydrating. It's got the perfect water content. If you fast on fruits, you might not need to drink water at all. I fasted on fruits for an entire month one summer. I wasn't thirsty. I didn't even drink water. You don't even think about it. You're getting this perfect water in the fruit that you're eating all day long. Fruit's loaded with vitamins and minerals. Fruit provides nutrition while simultaneously cleansing and healing the body. It doesn't clog up the organs. If you eat meat or dairy or nuts or grains or sugars, all of those foods can clog up and congest the body, cause things to slow down, cause stagnation in the system, cause food allergies and reactions in the body. Fruit doesn't do that. What's cool about fruit, if you're not aware of this, is fruit is actually a great food for diabetics. People might think I'm crazy saying that. You have to understand the nature of fruit. Fruit is a sugar, but it does not require insulin to be processed in the body. Anytime you eat a complex carbohydrate like a rice or oatmeal or any kind of grains or even potatoes, those are complex carbohydrates that need insulin to be processed in the body. Fruit does not. Fruit does not need insulin. So yes, will it have an effect on blood sugars? Of course it is. It's a sugar, but it's a natural sugar that does not need insulin. So it'll actually help heal and reset the body. And there are people actually reversing health conditions like diabetes eating fruit. It's amazing. All right. You will lose weight. You will lose weight on fruit. Forget about counting calories. Fruit's hydrating. It's cleansing. No matter how much fruit you eat, you'll still lose weight. Fruit, I just talked about the insulin thing, so I'd already mentioned that. It's great for cleansing and moving the bowels. Okay. I would maybe caution you on not doing straight fruit juices and going crazy on that because it could be way, way, way too much sugar. But eating whole fruit, you're going to be good on that. Disadvantages. There are some people who do not do well on fruit. The main concern I found is when people are struggling with candida, yeast, fungus, and mold. Too much fruit sugar exacerbates and causes flare-ups of this condition. I worked with a mom who was on an all-fruit diet for 2 years because she ran across XYZ person who said eating all fruit is the way to life. 2 years she was eating all fruit. Mom of 3 kids, was miserable and thought she was dying. I did a lab test on her to check her mycotoxins, which are her mold toxins. She was 42 times the toxic level of ochratoxin, which is an aspergillus mold. And I said, that all fruit diet, I'm sorry, but it's killing you. So I switched her off. I switched her to soups, steamed vegetables, warm cooked foods, hot teas, and she did a complete turnaround in a month. She has hope again. She's getting stronger. She went from freezing cold to actually feeling warmth in her fingers and toes and in her belly. So I say that because the fruit diet is amazing and not for everybody. There are disadvantages, and some people should not try this. Okay, what to eat? Fruits. Lots of information out there on eating all fruit diets. Dr. Morse is a good one that'll give you a lot of information on eating all fruit diets. Melons on an empty stomach, separate from other fruits. Bananas, dates, and dried fruits should be limited. They're very, very sugary, and they don't contain a lot of water. So they're not bad, it's just you don't want to go crazy with dried fruit and fruit that doesn't have a lot of water. You want to be thinking high water content, hydrating fruit should be what we're eating. Citrus. Citrus is amazing for the kidneys, the lymph, the blood. It's healing to remove old waste, and it's got lots of minerals in the body. It'll actually flush out old mineral deposits out of your body, like in your kidneys and in your bladder. Berries are powerful blood builders and blood cleansers. If they look like blood, it helps cleanse the blood. Beverages, you would only need water, but again, if you're eating fruit, you might not need a lot of water. So you can decide if you feel like you need to drink water or not. What to avoid? You want to avoid dried fruits and fruit juices. Stick to only whole fruits with high water content. Okay? Length of a fast. 3 days is a great fruit-only jump start. Fruit fasting has been found to be beneficial for a lot of health conditions. I know stories of, and there's websites about people fasting 90 plus days on fruit only. Some people consider eating only fruit or 90+% fruit as a way of life. It's sustainable if it's right for you, it works for you. Your environment, your current state of health, the season that you might be in where you live, these things all play a role. So you got to be smart. I do 7 to 10 day fast with fruit with my friends sometimes. I'll tell you a funny story. A real good buddy of mine, we were doing all fruit for 7 days, and I had him over because we were going to do grilled vegetables on the grill. And so 7 days on fruit, we were going to break it with having some vegetables, right? You actually learn to appreciate food and enjoy the taste of food when you fast. And so I grilled vegetables on our grill, just took some olive oil and some herbs and did like squash and carrots and potatoes and mushrooms, just super basic. And oh my gosh, he was on and on and on. Like he couldn't stop talking about how amazing those vegetables were and how good they tasted, and oh, I missed vegetables. And it's just really funny. I mean, like I said, you really get an appreciation for food when you fast. You start to enjoy the good things that God gave us. I would hope for you sometime like that the junk food, the man-made food, that stuff would not satisfy us anymore. We'd have no desire or interest in those things anymore, and we'd actually find pleasure in the amazing things that God gave us. All right, hot body or cold body? Definitely better for a hot body condition or somebody in a warm climate. You can try it, see if it works for you, but not if you have serious infectious issues, especially women. If you're dealing with any candida, fungus, yeast issue, reoccurring yeast infections, anything like that, you want to be careful with doing too much fruit. Fruit has a cooling effect on the body. So if you're, again, hot, you want to lose weight, it's summer, might be a great time to do a fruit fast. Testimonial. There's a couple I worked with. We'll call them Jack and Jill because Jack and Jill's fun. I don't want to use real names. But Jack had 4th stage kidney disease, and it was really serious. His numbers were headed towards dialysis. Every time he went to the doctor, there's a test called GFR. It's his filtration rate of his kidneys. And it was getting worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. And he was literally headed towards dialysis. I recommended, now it's each person's choice, of course, but I said try 21 days citrus only. So grapefruit, oranges, lemons, and limes, 21 days only. They did it. They went to the doctor. His GFR, his filtration rate, went up for the first time ever. And the kidney doctor's exact words were, "That's impossible." And it's not impossible, because with God all things are possible, right? So you can improve your health. You can improve your kidney function. You could avoid dialysis or probably even get off of it if we could find ways to cleanse and heal our bodies. What's so cool about this story is I asked this couple afterwards, I'm like, well, that's amazing that his kidney numbers went up, but how did you feel? Was it hard? I mean, they were like, I could not believe how much energy we had. We were outside, we were in the garden, we had dirt delivered, and we were doing wheelbarrows of dirt back and forth to the garden. I mean, this couple was in their 60s, and they found renewed life and energy and vitality and focus by doing 21 days on only fruit, on citrus only. It's just one story. There's so many stories. So that's the power of raw foods. That's the power of fruit. All right, food for thought. If we went all the way back to Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, would fruit have been God's perfect food? You decide. Many people think so. When they get deep into health and nutrition, there are various books and testimonials about people eating, lots of fruit diets. My wife is from Hawaii. She's born and raised there. I can just picture the ancient natives, Hawaiians, running around on the beach, in the sun, in the ocean, picking fruit off the trees, eating it all day. It sounds like paradise. It really does. Too bad our world's so complicated. But if you feel led to try it, please do. It just might be the breakthrough that you're looking for. God bless.